Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add custom font to your Tailwind project using Google Fonts. So right here I have a sample project with a little bit of text content, and we're going to see how we can change the default font to something different. So the first thing you want to do is head over to Google Fonts, choose your preferred font. I'm going to go with Oswald. Then just copy the CDN link. You can also use the @import_through link, but you can go with whatever you feel like. Next step, head over to your index.html file and add the CDN link to the head section. Before moving to the next step, you need to note that in the previous versions of Tailwind, to make any customizations like adding custom fonts or changing text colors, you'd have to use the tailwind.config file to extend these customizations. But in the latest version 4 to be precise, now you can make all these changes directly in your CSS file, your global CSS file. So for us to add our custom file, we need to go to our project's global CSS file. In my case, that would be app.css, and create a theme directive. Under the theme directive, we would add a font variable with a custom name. I'm going to use Oswald. You can use whatever you want, and then add the name of the fonts and a fallback font. Finally, you can apply these fonts to any JSX element or HTML element in your project. I'm going to apply this to the main element in my project, and then we'll see the changes. As you can see, the Oswald font has been applied to the web page. If I toggle the checkbox, you should see its transition from the default font to the new custom font. And that's all there is to adding a custom font to a Tailwind project. Like and subscribe for more web development tips.